Welcome to SAP AppGyver. Okay, who doesn't know? It's Monday morning, the boss comes in and says, can you get the barcode scanner ready in 10 minutes? I will show you how to do it in less than 2 minutes. First, I create a new project. Then enter the title, Barcode Scanner. I also create a short description and align it. In between, save again and again. Insert the button and name it. Insert the scan function via drag and drop. Insert an alert as a dialog so that a result is displayed. Set that I want the barcode to be displayed as the result. Don't forget to save. Should work now. Test it. Select the app and scan something. Okay, it works. But a little bit more information would be nice. That's why I'm expanding this further. I use the public API to retrieve product data. I no longer need alert, I use getRecord. Add data variables from open food facts. Said data variable still needs to be equipped with the right logic. Now add a title, which I call product information, and 2 text fields. One for the product name and one for the kilocalories per 100 grams. The text fields still have to be connected with the correct data variable. Now test again. It works. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can find the link to the detailed demo and access to the free community version of SAP AppGyver in the comments. Have fun trying out and developing. See you next time.